we've said before in the past, Ford built these Broncos knowing that people were going to modify them, and they had a lot of factory locations for things such as winches, roof racks, and especially lights. Today we're taking a look at these Ford Performance Spotlights designed for your 21 through 22 Ford Bronco. Ford teamed up with Rigid to produce these spotlights fitting your 2021 through 2022 Bronco. They're going to bolt right to the factory location right on your mirrors and provide a ton of bright light for off-road use. They're designed to be wired into the factory wiring, make for a very easy installation. These Ford Performance lights and other accessories and performance parts for your new Bronco are available at CJ Pony Parts and CJ Off-Road.